As we move into 4.2, we get into what we call binomial distributions. And one of the questions you come across is finding the binomial probability for the distribution. And what I want to do is just show you how to use technology for this. So we have a survey found that 26% of US adults believe there is no difference between secured and unsecured wireless networks. A secured network uses barriers such as firewalls and passwords to protect information. An unsecured network does not. So you randomly select 100 adults. What is the probability that exactly 35 adults believe there is no difference between secured and unsecured networks? So using technology, find the probability. So we have this formula here that we could do it, but we also have a formula that also does it. So our formula, what it kind of looks like is for a binomial distribution, we're going to have on your calculator, you're going to be looking for this binomial is BINOM, and then probability distribution formula. To do the formula, we need to know what N is, what P is, and what X is. So we need to know what N is, what P is, and what X is. So what we pick up on is the binomial probability distribution formula. The N is how many people are involved, which was the 100. The P is the probability, but it's got to be in a percent notation. So it's got to be 0.26, not 26%, but 0.26. And then the X is the number of adults that we're choosing, which is the 35. So if we can input this in the calculator, we can avoid using the actual formula to do it. So to find this on the calculator, notice above vars, there's this distribution thing. So that's where all the distribution formulas are. So if we hit the second button and hit vars, it'll do distribution. What we're looking for is the binomial one. Let's see if we can find that here. There it is, down here. So a binomial PDF. So if we hit that, the trials is going to be 100. So we hit 100 there. P is the 0.26. And then the value is the 35. Let's see what this does here. So it does it for us. It gives us then our binomial 100, 0.26, 35. That looks good. Hit enter. And that will give us our value here. So again, when it comes to rounding, it just depends on what they want to do. Sometimes they want to round all over the place. So it looks like sometimes we'll probably round maybe to the 10,000th place, or let's round to the 1,000th place this time. So based on what I'm seeing here, we could probably round this to 0.012, I believe, if my memory got it out. So yeah, if we round to the 1,000th place, that 5 would tell me to round the 1,000th place to a 2. So we can write that as 0.012. That would be our binomial distribution probability. So that's where you can find this on the calculator, is above vars is the distribution. So if you hit the second vars, if you scroll down, we're looking for the one that says binomial probability distribution. So that's a choice there. So we would choose that. Alrighty, so I'll stop the video from there. Hopefully you find that helpful.